welcome to our monthly YouTube hop. I'm so glad you could join us for our inspiration hop for our brand new release. You're going to find a lot of inspiration along the way on this hop for our box of the month for September. So the hashtag you're going to use for this hop and giveaway is hashtag N2S Lovely Fall. I think you're really going to like this month's box. What's great about getting our monthly subscription is every month we do this YouTube hop and we share so much inspiration, not only on the hop, but all month long. We have a huge design team and you'll never run out of ideas on what to do with your box. So let's dig into the box first and then I'll show you some card samples along the way. So here's our first stamp set. This one is called Welcome Fall and I just love this stamp set. I think it is so cute. And I did create a card with this stamp. I had so much fun coloring up this cute little scene. Now the scene here, you can color it two ways. You can color it as like an outdoor porch, which is what I did, or you could color it as like a walkway on the inside of your house. And the stamp on the inside here, Welcome Home, those are separate stamps. They also fit in this pillow here, so you can stamp on the pillow. Or you can stamp in this little area here, Welcome Home. We also have a sentiment, Welcome Fall, with a nice banner. And pumpkin spice is my favorite season. That goes really great with this cute little squirrel. Isn't that adorable? Then we've got Thankful, Blessed, Pumpkin Obsessed. What a cute sentiment that is. So here's the card that I created. I think it turned out just adorable. I stamped out the pumpkin spice, it's my favorite season, here at the bottom, and I have the little squirrel popping up to say hi with his little pumpkin spice latte. And then I had a lot of fun coloring in the sky, the little banners, and then I added the little black and white checks as an accent, and I love the pop of green. Our second stamp set is a huge 6x8 stamp set. So this is the first time we're throwing in a huge one like this. Our boxes vary from month to month. Sometimes you get 3 4x6 stamp sets. Sometimes you'll get a 4x4 stamp set. It's always different, but you always get at least $62 worth of product. This month's products retail $66. If you join the Box of the Month Club, you'll get an extra 5% off the already discounted price. So to join the Box of the Month Club, when you check out, change the frequency to monthly and check out that way. Then your box will be automatically shipped every 30 days. That will also guarantee a box every month until you cancel. So let's take a closer look at what's in the stamp set here. So I love the sentiments in the stamp set. We've got Enjoy the Little Things. We've got Autumn Vibes. And I'm a fall kind of girl. And let me tell you guys, I love fall. So this sentiment's right up my alley. I just love everything fall. And there also is a Happy Fall Y'all sentiment in there as well. So we've got a pumpkin, a sunflower, a stack of wood. We've got an acorn, a couple of leaves, a wheat stem. We've got a pillow with a truck and pumpkins on it. We've got a person with socks. We've got the yummy hot cocoa or coffee drink. We've got some fall weather clothes. We've got this beautiful 3-tier decor piece here. And how many of you have one of these in your house and decorate it for all the seasons? I know I do. I just love doing that. And then we've got a basket that you can fill with the leaves, or maybe you can put the wood in there or have a sunflower popping out. Just use your imagination and have fun with it. And there's a little heart. Here's one that I used with the 3-tier decor piece there, and isn't that beautiful? I just had a lot of fun coloring it. Just all the little items in there. Look at, there's pumpkins, there's an acorn, some greenery, and little vases, and then the hello fall sign. Just really cute. And I paired up the papers. So there is a slimline paper pack and a 6x6 paper pack. And I used that on this card. I also used the stamp, Happy Fall, y'all. And then I want to share the paper. So we have the slimline paper pad and the 6x6 paper pad, 24 double-sided designs on this one, 4 of each design. We've got 12 designs and 2 sheets each for the slimline paper pad, and it measures 4 by 9. And these colors are really, really pretty. Our designer is Teresa Russell, formerly known as Scrappin' for Less. She is now Fresh and Renewed with Teresa here on YouTube. She always makes sure to throw in some coordinating ephemera, so you'll see that later in the video. So check out this sheet of paper here. I just love that. There's some different things you can do with that. You can make a large, like 6x6 card or a 5.5 card by just trimming it down a little bit. Now there's 2 of those scenes in this paper pack, and you can make a wall piece, frame it. How cool would that be? You can make a an album with it and put some little characters in the scene if you want. You're going to see a card I did with it. I thought it was really fun. So those are the beautiful papers that you get in the 6x6 paper pad. Now moving on to our 4x9 slimline paper pad. Now these are more of the basics. You can mix and match these with your 6x6 paper pad. So you get some solids and then you get some glitter. Now the glitter reminds me of like a Korean countertop. Isn't that cool? I just love how it looks, and they make great frames. So I've been using them to frame out my cards. Love the rich dark plum and chocolate colors. So here's a card I did with the 6x6 scene paper. So isn't that cute? This card took me like 2 seconds to do. I cut out the paper. So this measures a 5.5 by 5.5 card. I just trimmed out the paper to fit on the card base. I stamped that Welcome Fall sentiment right onto the paper. And then I just cut my little squirrel out and glued it down, and that was it, guys. Isn't that cute? So you could totally whip out 4 cards like this because there's 4 sheets in the paper pad. Okay, so we have matching ephemera and we have a stencil. Now this stencil is called Knit Diamonds. This stencil is available for sale individually, so I do have a handful of these. And this was designed by Call Me Crafty Al, Alicia, and she is on our design team, and she is so talented. She designed this stencil for me. So there's the design, there's the stencil on the back. You can see her information. You can follow her on Instagram, Call Me Crafty Al, and her YouTube channel. Now let me show you a card I did with the stencil. So I love how this turned out. It is so cute, and I just inked it up with one of my lighter inks to match the coloring on my card. I used the Enjoy the Little Things sentiment, and then these are all Copic colored, and I did use the sequins that comes in your kit. Just sprinkle those around. So isn't that really cute? I think I did add 2 little leaves on the inside of this one. And then last but not least, we have the ephemera pack. So these are matching to the papers. There's a lot in here. You can see we've got pumpkins, and we've got that girl with the socks. A lot of house decor in here. A very, very, very fun pack. And here's a card that I did using the ephemera. So this is done with all ephemera, no Copic coloring whatsoever. The sentiment was also in the ephemera pack, and I layered on little squares here using the 6x6 paper pad. And then to mat it, I used the slimline paper pad. So it turned out really cute. And I have one more card to show you. So this one I did with the stamp set. And I thought It turned out really cute with these purples with the pop of red and the autumn vibes in the middle, and that just fits perfectly in a circle. So I love that, how that turned out. And I did use the slimline paper pad for the frame, and also this. So this is the Whimsy card builder die, and I do have that in the shop, so I'll have it linked in the description box for you. And let's put all the cards together so you can see them. Hope you guys enjoy the hop and get lots of inspiration. The hop will end on the 8th. And to find out who wins the hop, all you have to do is go to my community tab on YouTube on the 8th, or actually on the 9th, just to make sure I have listed that. Or you can click on the raffle copter link, and that will give you the winner. So don't forget to hop on over, check out everyone's video, leave a comment, like, subscribe, and then also click on the raffle copter link to put your entry in. Thanks guys, I really appreciate you stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!